What's up? I know you got that wide body in there.
Oh, I got something better than that.
Smoke it up. Yes, sir. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man. Here we go, this damn GPS talking over me. Today's video, man, we're going up here to check out this Widebody Hellcat, bro. Widebody Hellcat. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to do the Scat Pack. I located a Widebody Scat Pack, so stay tuned for that video tomorrow. But today, we're going up here to check out this Widebody Hellcat. Of course, this is a Daytona. We're gonna go up here and see what they talking about, man. So let's go. Oh, wait, guys, hold up. I just saw some, remember I was up here at Easton's last time? Look what they got now. Hey, we gotta stop here first to see what's going on. What's this? That's a V6 right there, and that's a V6. Look at them, man. Them jobs look just like Scat Packs, bro. I had to stop right here. This is not the place I plan on stopping at, but when I was riding by, I saw these Challengers up here, so you know I gotta stop when I see Charger or Challenger, man. So let's go back here and see what these are right here. Hopefully they got the hopefully they Scat Packs. Let's see. Then we're gonna go and get to this Hellcat Widebody, but let's see what we got. Oh, that's an RT. And that's probably V6. Yep. That's a Hemi. Okay. But I ain't gonna get out. We done seen them all by now. Y'all know I can't pass up a dealership, man. So you know I gotta come by here and see see what they had. But make sure I don't pull out from them, man. But let's get to where we going. Let's go. Alright, guys, it's the dealership over there. And they got a Challenger right there. Like I said, this is my first time at this dealership. I ain't never been out here before. So let's go in here and see what's happening. Alright, guys, so we're pulling up here at the dealership. And let's see what we got out here, bruh, before we go in there and check out the Widebody. See, they got the Rams and these Jeeps out here. Look at the Scat Packs and stuff up there. Widebody up there. So I'm gonna park right here. Let's get out here and see what they got on the lot first before we head in here. Before we head in here, look at this Widebody. I see that on in the showroom. Let's see what we got out here, bro. Oh, we got the Widebodies right here on deck. It's a Scat Pack though. Yes, sir. What we got over here? What's up? I know you got that Widebody in there. You got the Widebody in there.
Oh, I got something better than that.
What you got? That's better than that.
I got that Hellcat in there too.
Okay, all right.
Got one today.
What's up, bro? How you doing, man?
Good.
All right, yeah, so coming out to see what's up, man. I heard that y'all got that Widebody.
Yeah, we got a Widebody Scat in the garage.
Oh yeah, I want to check that out. Yes, sir.
What you thinking about getting?
Scat Pack, Widebody.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Challenger or Charger?
Charger.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We got then we got one. Yeah, we got the white one right there.
Oh, okay.
White chip Scat Pack.
All right. Let's see what we got over here. There you go. Sure, this is what I came to see right here. How you doing? Yes, sir. And it looks so much better in person. Yes, indeed. Jeez. This is beautiful. Yeah. How you doing? Man, this joint look tight. Yeah, this is nice right here, brother. Yes, sir. Man, what number is this one? Let's see. MSRP, take sale price. Man, they got this joint marked way up. Look at that. Wow. This is number what? This look much better in person, man. I like these wheels. Yes, sir. Man, when y'all gonna get some wide body scat packs? Yeah, middle of the year. Okay. Yeah, that's what I want. I ain't ready for this one yet.
Yeah.
Y'all got any used Hellcats? Nope.
Probably won't find.
I know it's hard to find one in good shape anyway. Man, this is nice. Jeez. I wanted to get more footage, but they had music playing. I didn't want to get copyright, so, and of course they had the car locked, so I couldn't get inside the car to really check out the inside. But if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, man, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.